This beautiful Colonial in the sought-after Edgewood neighborhood offers a 3-car garage and a spacious floor plan with hardwood floors and an airy atmosphere. Walk up the stone walkway to the lovely front porch overlooking the serene neighborhood. Inside, through the sitting area, is a large living room with a fireplace, making it an ideal destination to gather with family and friends. The charming kitchen provides stainless steel appliances and wide countertops, while the bright dining room enjoys a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows that creates a fantastic meal setting. Lead guests through the French doors and onto the expansive wooden deck, overlooking the private yard, and enjoy alfresco dining. The master suite on the second level boasts a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with a jacuzzi tub and marble vanity. 2 more generous bedrooms are located on this floor, along with a full tiled bath. On the upper level is a loft area that leads into a study where skylights cascade light over the entire room, including the built-in shelves. Edgewood is a great walkable community filled with attractive destinations like the William Hall Library and the boutiques and dining options in Patuxent Village. The Rhode Island Yacht Club and Edgewood Yacht Club take advantage of the proximity to Narragansett Bay and make their home in the area. Walk to Patuxent Oxbows Park and take a short drive and visit Roger Williams Park to enjoy the zoo, carousel, and walking paths. This quiet location offers a convenient route to the arts and culture of downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Dacey at area code 401-527-6745.